We are working on PSLE 2024 Paper 2 Question 12. Alan and Barry shared a box of stickers in the ratio 3:2. Alan gave 20% of his stickers to Clara, who had none at first. Find the ratio of Alan to Barry to Clara's sticker after Alan had given Clara the stickers. Barry also gave some of his stickers to Clara. In total, 26% of the stickers were given to Clara. Now, looking at 26% and 20%, this immediately tells you that model method will not work for this question, since we do not want to be drawing 26 boxes. So now start solving the question using matrix method. A is to B to C total. Okay, at first, A is to B, 3 is to 2, C has nothing, 0. Now, given that we know we are going to move into percentages later, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the base to 100 times 20. And this will give me 100, 0, 40, 60. Okay, note that we have not done anything with this question yet except to change the base of the ratio. Now, let's get into the first part. Alan gave 20% of his stickers to Clara. Alan has 60 stickers. He gave away 20%. Let's say if he times 20%, this gives us 12, which means that Alan gave away 12 stickers to Clara. Clara received 12. Alright, at the end, Alan will have 60 minus 12, which is 48. Barry did nothing, so he gives 40. Clara will now have 12. And total is still 100, given that this is internal transfer. There's no change in the total. Okay. It should be good enough for part A of the question. Find the ratio of A is to B is to C, which is 48 is to 40 is to 12. And if you have to reduce by, divide by 4, you'll get 12 is to 10 is to 3. And this is the answer for part A. I'm going to part B. Barry also gave some of his stickers to Clara. In total, 26% of the stickers in the box were given to Clara. So total is still 100. Total is still 100. Clara received 26%, which is 26 out of 100. Okay, we can immediately tell from here that Clara received 14 stickers. Who gave them to her? Barry. So Barry has to minus 14. This round, Alan did nothing. So Alan will continue to have 48 stickers. Let's indicate this as N2. Barry will have 26 stickers. Clara 26, total 100. Now part B of the question is slightly different. They are now asking you, what fraction of Barry's stickers were given to Clara? A question like this means that the numerator will be what you gave away. The denominator is what you have at first. Okay, what Barry gave away is 14. What did he have at first? 40. Okay. And reducing this, we get 7 over 20. This is our answer for part